Hey guys, yesterday, as you may have remembered, we did an experiment with water, road salt, and baking soda. We were going to find out if all of these ingredients could make a chemical reaction. Well, guess what? They did. So we got to thinking, what if we did the same exact experiment, but instead of using road salt, we used salt? So we're going to find out. So first we're going to measure how many grams of salt? 8. Okay, 8 grams. So I put my thing on the scale, and we're going to pour some salt in here onto there.
Shireen has already measured out 8 grams of table salt.
And 4 grams of baking soda.
Now she will be putting 10 milliliters of water in here and then pouring it in here.
Okay. We have 10 milliliters of water measured. Let's get this out of there. And we're going to pour it into this little... Okay, that's every last drop of it. So now we are going to put the salt and the baking soda into the plastic bag. Jadani and Ren, will you do the honors?
Yep.
Okay.
Now we're going to try to get this in without dropping it. And you want it.
Put
Jadania, you
the
grab it.
little tube into the bag, but we're gonna make sure not to tilt it into the bag. Yeah.
And let it touch the substances.
Yes. So there we go. Rain, this is a very important part. Rain is going to seal the bag like this so that the air can all come out. Carefully. Okay, so you see the air in here. Now I'm going to tip over the test tube into the baking soda and salt. And we're going to see what happens.
It does not look like the same chemical reaction is happening.
Yeah, when we had the road salt, it started to bubble. And this is kind of, there are many bubbles in the bottom, at the bottom of the bag. You can see that?
It's also not changing temperature.
Yeah, it feels just like the same. And you can feel the grains of the salt at the bottom. But for the most part, the baking soda and the salt is sinking to the bottom of the water.
So it looks like no chemical reaction is happening.
I agree.
So road salt has a different reaction to water than table salt does.
So there was no chemical reaction that occurred with the regular salt.